it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today I'm going to show you how I did the rosette ribbon trim along the neckline of my Tsuyu bodice using the instructions included in Burda number 7057. The pattern directions called for making a rosette trim along the top of the bodice, and I thought it was really cute, so I decided to go ahead and do that. So I'm using some green satin ribbon so that it matches Tsuyu's design a bit more. This isn't completely accurate to design, but I just wanted to try a new technique, so that's why I'm doing this. So started by box pleating some green satin ribbon and machine sewed it into place. Now to create the rosette design, we're going to hand sew, and we're going to sew from the back. Oop. The ribbon that I found wasn't exactly the same size as the ribbon the pattern called for, but I still think it looks pretty cute. So now that we've come up from that side, we're gonna fold the ribbon over a little bit and stitch down on the other side. So that it pulls down into the center, and then do another stitch through to really hold it into place. And then, sorry for the rustling. Just to make it even more extra than this costume already is, we're adding some fake pearls and just hand sewing that on, and then sewing through again, and we'll do one more loop around. To really secure that pearl on there. And we're just going to keep doing that down along the line so that it ends up looking like this. And here's what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope you found this video helpful. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!